Hey everyone, if a Logseq plugin is not working, refuses to load, causes errors, or stops functioning after an update, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq plugin problems in 2026. First, restart Logseq and test the plugin again. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent plugins from loading correctly during startup. If the plugin stopped working after a recent Logseq update, check whether the plugin developer has released a compatible version. Some plugins may require updates before they work with newer Logseq releases. You should also disable other plugins temporarily. Plugin conflicts can sometimes prevent certain features from working correctly. Another helpful step is reviewing the plugin settings. Some plugins require configuration before they function properly, and incorrect settings may cause them to appear broken. If the plugin produces errors, check the developer console or Logseq logs if available. Error messages can often identify the source of the problem. And that's how to fix Logseq plugin not working problems in 2026. In most cases, updating Logseq, checking plugin compatibility, resolving conflicts, and reinstalling the plugin will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.